Okay, so this video will help you and or will serve as your guide in making your task for your first quarter. So this is just a very simple design of a treadmill. We'll draw the isometric and then orthographic, but for that I make a simple sketch. This sketch will help me with the dimension or measurements, and then also with the scale that I'm going to use in my drawing. So the longest part of the drawing is 200 cm. So this 200 cm will serve as my guide for what will be the scale that I'm going to use. So it is the estimate of the total, the possible size of my drawing. No? So it is very important also for you to have a proportion on your paper. So based on my estimate, the most ideal scale that I'm going to use is the 1:20. So all I need to do is to divide 1:20, no? Or to divide the 200 using a scale of 1:20, divide it by 20. So the longest part will be 10 cm. So first is for the orthographic drawing, we need to draw first the front view. So it is very important to draw first the front view, because the front view will guide you to create your right side view and then also your top view. So it will be the total height. My total height is 7, then 70. So first is I will make my baseline. This very light, no? I will use a mechanical pencil. And then from here, I will just measure for 4 cm. So you've noticed that the T-square serve as my guide for my triangle. So I make the T-square. The proper use of T-square is to create all horizontal lines, and then also the triangle for vertical lines. Okay, so I have here the baseline and then also the side line of the orthographic. This will serve as my guide. So here is in the corner, I'm going to start measuring of the different the height and then also the width of the front view. So the width of my front view is 80. So the 80 cm divided by 20 is equals to 4. I will measure from here 4 cm. I will start from the 1 so that sometimes if you use this corner you get confused. So I will start from 1 and then make it 5. So then project it to the top. Okay, so this will be the width projected to the top. It's the same to the top view. And then for the height is 140 divided by 7. Okay, divided by 140 divided by 20 equals to 7. Then I will use my T-square for the horizon. So this is the box, no? This is the box of my front view. Then from my front view, I will now measure the different parts. So for the height of the base, now we're in the base of the treadmill. So it's about 25. So 25 divided by 25 cm divided by 20. Okay, so that is okay, 20, 25, 1.1. Then make a then it is projected to the right. Then after that, on the top was 40 to close 2 cm. Then I have here the foot. Okay, so this is now the front view for the 0.5 for the feet. Okay. Then I have here a angle at the top, or cut angle. Let me just use a 30 degrees. Okay, so this is now the front, no? So we'll make it darker using the visible lines. Yeah. So this is just a very simple design of a treadmill. Okay, so this is the front view. Then how about the top? We're going to project, and the total length of is 200 cm. Then by 2 is 10 cm. Okay, I will make a space in between these two. I will make a 4 cm space. So I'm going to start from here, then to the top of my 10 cm. Okay, so that is 10 cm. Then I will just measure 10 cm. Okay, so this is the top view. And then the details for the top view. First is 15, so 2.5. Then for the arms is like 40 x 2. Okay, so I already have top view, no? Then 2.5, 2.5 divided by 2 is 1.75. Okay. So that is how easy, no, to make a orthographic. So this is for the arm, for the handle. Then you can erase this one. Okay, so I'm going now to darken. Okay, so this is how easy it is, no? So this is the front view, then this is the top view. Okay, next is the side view. So the height is the same. So side view, just project, and after that I will make a spacing of 4 cm . 4 cm, then 10 for the length. Then for the feet, just project it for the height. Okay, then I have here the feet, then also on this side. like, so I'm going to transfer this top view on this side. I'm going to use or to measure, no, in order to identify the side view. So first is the 2.5. Okay, so I will just mark 2.5, and then in between 1.75. Okay, 2.5 is here. Okay, then the height is 100 minus 40, so minus 2. Okay, then the remaining is okay. I have a correction. The height is 7, so I make mistake in here. So I need to go in here. That will be the top, the height, total height. Then we'll just erase this one. Then this side will be inclined to this side. Okay, so then the thickness, cm. 40 is 2. Okay. Okay, so this is now the side view. The side view of the treadmill. So it's up to you if you want to put some curve or design. I will just make this as a very simple for you to understand what are you going to do. Okay, so just erase. So I have a side view and then also the top view and then the front view. So that's it. This is how simple, easy, simple, and very fast. Now the last one. The last one is the isometric. So how are we going to draw the isometric view of this equipment? So first is we're going to select space, your space, vacant space, your vacant space, and then make a again a guide of a base. So a guide of a base, just make that one, then create a center line of your object. I will fix my T-square so that it will not move, no? Since I'm going to make a or to create a isometric, and then I don't need a horizontal line anymore, because in isometric, no, you will just use a 30-degree triangle. So first is you have your, always remember, you have your base and then the edge of your, or the most corner of your object. So just create 30 degrees, then flip other side for the another 30 degrees. Now what is the height, no? So the height is the same, no? What will be the height in here? It will be the same to the height. I will get this first, no? What will be the height in here will be the same to the height in your isometric. Okay, so the height is 7. So I'm using a scale of 1:20 again. The same. Okay, then the height is 7. We'll just measure 7 cm. Then after that, I will make a box. So that is a technique. We'll make a box. Then a box. Then what is the length? 4 is 4. Yes. So pwede measure din na lang ko, or say it's 4, or pwede ka man dere. So make a 5. Then project on top. Then after that, okay, then 10 cm. Project. Then I have a box. After that, details. So from the base, the height of the base is okay. One point. 1.5. Okay, then just project, create a parallel 30 degrees. And then you have your the base of the treadmill. Then create a box again. Okay. Then we have the height of the feet. Then we have here a okay, I will measure first since wala ko nag butang measurement pa dire. I will measure okay, so it's 2.5, total of 5. So total of 5. Then 2.5. Okay. Then after that, project to the bottom. Then find the height of where the inclination is located. So it's 5. So then 5. And after that, project. Then connect. Then this one is divided by 2.5, 1.75. 2.5, 1.25. $30. Then also here, just project it to the left side for you to find this. It's symmetrical measurement. Okay, then connect this side also to the base, and then this one, connect this one. Okay, same with this corner. Okay. Then for the arm, center, okay. So then for feet, okay, so this is it.